What's up, y'all? You know who it is. You know what it is. Your boy JP coming to y'all with another how-to. We have a 2011 Chrysler 200, and you already know we're going to be taking this radio out. So this one should be fairly easy. We're just going to take our panel removal tool. We're going to come over here, and we're going to start popping out. All this whole thing is just held in by some good old clips. So we're just going to boom. Do it like that right there. Get that AC out. Let's go ahead and unhook this one harness. All right, now we're talking. AC trip. Let's go ahead and take this harness out as well. Actually, you know what? We don't even need that. Let's just go ahead and take the radio out because this is all we need to get right here. So that looks like a T15, maybe a T20. Take out these four. All right, y'all. So we took those four T15 Torx out, and we have that factory radio. This is the navigation piece, but if you have the one with the non-nav, it's going to be the same thing. So I'm going to go ahead and wire up the new radio, put the dash kit on, and we will go to the next step. All right, y'all, so as y'all can see, I have everything wired up all nice and neat. And I know what you're thinking, man, why didn't he show us how to wire it? Well, in order to make these radio removal how-to videos short, sweet, and efficient as possible, I do not go over the wiring because it's the exact same way every time. But what I did do for you was make a video on how to wire up a radio. It is in that card over there in the top corner. So if you guys want to know how to do the wiring, you can hit that card and I'll show you exactly how to do it. I'll go over what each one of these wires do, what's the name of them, what they go to, and all that type of stuff. So that's actually what I do for you guys. I go ahead and link that video so you guys can go watch that. You know how to hook up a radio, and that way I can keep this one short and sweet and just kind of straight to the point. So let me go ahead and hook this stuff up and we'll see what it looks like. All right, y'all, that's what it looks like. Real nice and neat. We got the steering wheel controls working and all that type of stuff. We didn't actually have to install the steering wheel controls because it literally is built in inside the pack piece. If you guys want to know, you get some links to all the products that I use. They will be down there in the description. The radio, the dash kit, the wiring harness, antenna adapter, all that good stuff will be in the description for you. If you guys found any value in these videos, please like, share, subscribe, comment, ask me any kind of question you want. I'll get to you as soon as I can. Till next time, I'll see you at the next car, baby. Peace.